and I'm now currently short of a UK pivot rejection.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hi guys, welcome to lovely south of France. Sam's just woken up, he's having a nap. He deserves a rest, he's been a busy man. The reasons why we're in France, I can't sort of say, but we have some exciting footage coming out for our lovely YouTube subscribers. So watch this space over the next few weeks, over the next month or so. But I'm here today, just want to show you a trade I took earlier this week. Ideally we would have shown you the trade then, but I was not with my lovely camera girl / media team. Alright, so it's Reckitt Benckiser. No idea if I'm saying it right or wrong. After the whole Azos, whatever it's called, scenario, let's just go Reckitt Benckiser. It's a stock that Sam and I have both traded probably since, well, 2014, even about then. He doesn't care. Yeah, so stock we've been looking at for a long time. We've been in and out. Very strong performing stock over the years. Massive company, very diversified across the world. So they've got exposure pretty much everywhere. They've been buying up companies to increase their exposure, and they released some results in mid of Feb. I believe it's on the 18th. We'll double check that. Results were better than expected, and on the day the stock reacted quite well to that news, but then since between the 18th of Feb until about the beginning of this week we've seen quite a strong sell-off. This coincides with the rally that we saw in pound because of the sort of Brexit developments, so these two are correlated negatively. So yeah, I entered on Monday, yeah, so sold off down to this level, waited for confirmation on my entry, got in, and we've seen pretty strong buyers bars since. Obviously we'll show you the chart and everything. My first target point, so I got in pretty much dead on 5,800 or £58. My first target is around £63 to £64. So we're just going to see it's quite a key resistance level there. It's come up to that level quite a few times, rejected off it, and that's sort of the same level as to the previous last sell-off we've seen after they announced those results. So that's my first day of interest, but the trade's going really well at the moment. We've got a lovely villa here, so yeah, just loving life.
Hey guys, so I've hand-jacked my own YouTube channel. So my camera, lovely lady Chaz, is working on a really big project and can't film her. So she's actually working on our series that will be launched on April. So make sure you stay tuned for that really big, insane episode. I'm in a meeting with Elliot, who doesn't like sitting next to me clearly. He smells. I'm trading. I've just come back from France, so I will ship. Typical.
Oh, no. Oh, you're the squeaky chair. That's what I'm on, so that's
oh my god. Awesome artwork, obviously. Same art, different day, trading the markets, and I'm going to show you some of my awesome trades that I've caught this morning on Monday morning at 9:30. Speak soon, guys. So I'm trading away here, and my live account, you can see one of my nice short sells on cable that I took, followed by a short sell. I actually bought just here and got out here on this spike on the news, and then I short sold all the way down to that level down here on Sunday night's open, and Fusion was in a hedge here and got out, closed, lovely, and then I got out of the highs there, and I'm now currently short of a UK pivot rejection. Looks like I might get stopped out here for a nice move down. Let's just work out roughly how many pips it is. So I've locked in around 30 pips at the moment. So and it looks like it's rejecting that previous low. So we will find out exactly what it's going to do. But yeah, it looks like we have 30 pips locked in, and I'll keep you updated on that trade. What's up? So an update here. It's now 5:15 and Pretty tired, to be fair. Since my short trade on cable, I have had 2 other trades across 2 different accounts. So I cannot complain with the position. Pounds spiked through the roof. So interesting trades. I've managed to catch 2 buys, 2 wins, of which one was, in fact, no, both were by Fusion, and the second one was absolutely ridiculous. Opened the trades on the 5-minute candle and then closed 30 pips on the same 5-minute candle. So pretty insane about that one. So I will show you that one, and yep, we'll go from there. But trading has been a good day. Yeah. So let's have a look at those trades now. So here was that sell trade. On the other account, here was the buy trade on Fusion up to here. And then here over here, it's just hilarious. Look at this. It literally opened the trade here and then closed 30 pips plus profit in the same 5-minute candle. And you can see up there that we're on the 5-minute time frame. So literally banked 30 pips in 5 minutes, and then we had the Fusion trade down there. So that has been my day today. Awesome trading day. I cannot complain at all. And that is a simple day in the trading life of Samuel Leach. So guys, after reviewing all of my trades with you, we are up a nice 108 pips on the day. Guys, do not forget to thumbs up, comment and subscribe, and get ready for April, because we have our insane trader series that is going to start, where I take 18 traders and teach them how to trade in the FX markets, and we document their highs and lows. Do you think they have what it takes? If so, give us a comment below, and don't forget to click the join now button for more exclusive content, and I'll see you in the next episode, guys. Peace out.